I've been loving you a long time. Down all the days, down all the days. And I've cried for all your troubles, smothered all your little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from the shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling on its charms. I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking for the first time, never thinking about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. So there's a light I hold before me,